did you conspire with other members of YSL to preserve, protect, and enhance the reputation, power, and territory of YSL by posting messages, images, videos, and songs demonstrating allegiance to YSL and a willingness to engage in violence on behalf of YSL? Did you do that?
Yes.
All right. At any time, did you remain armed and ready and willing to preserve, protect, and enhance the reputation, power, and territory of YSL through the use of violence?
No, I stay armed for myself. No.
Did you conspire with any other YSL members to do that?
No.
You may.
Okay. Did you obtain or did you conspire with others to obtain money, weapons, and other property through acts including robbery, theft, and the unlawful sale and distribution of drugs?
No.
Okay. Did you conspire with other members of YSL to obstruct law enforcement investigations and court proceedings through witness intimidation and attacks upon law enforcement officers?
Could you repeat that and make it, could you say it what I can understand?
Yes.
Because I didn't understand what you were saying.
And you're going to have to tell me which part you're not understanding.
I
Okay?
don't understand the whole question, whatever you say.
Did you and other members of YSL with you, did y'all conspire to obstruct law enforcement investigations and or court proceedings through witness intimidation and attacks upon law enforcement
All right.
officers?
Miss Love, make sure
Yes, Your Honor.
that you're asking about what he did. And he can, I mean, he
I will be-
understood all of the other ones that you asked him. So
Okay.
it's not the beginning of that question that seems to be confusing him.
I'll break it up.
Why don't you?
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
okay, sustained.
All right. Did you and other members of YSL, did you ever
That's the issue. That's
the
one of the
issue.
issues.
We at
Okay.
YSL. All right.
did you conspire with anyone within YSL?
No.
All right. Did you ever, through witness intimidation, make any efforts to obstruct law enforcement investigations and court proceedings?
No.
Okay. I'm going to show you what we have marked as State's Exhibit 435 Yankee.
You lie to your kids, you lie to your mama, but you get in the courtroom and in the investigation room and tell them punk ass people the God honest motherfucking truth. Pussy ass.
Are you able to see the date at the bottom of that post?
Yes.
Would you please start with the time and read the time and date?
p.m. 7/19/2015.
4:22 p.m., 7/19.
2015.
Thank you. Now, what caption did you put with that?
I just said pussy ass nigga for real.
Why did you put that particular caption with that video about getting in a courtroom and telling the God's honest truth?
I don't know, Miss Love. I was just doing something at the time. It was just an Instagram post. And it's a saying that everybody says, so I just posted it.
Which part is a saying that everybody says?
You lie to your kid, lie to your mom. I just put pussy ass niggas on the post. I don't know the meaning of why I put it on there neither.
Does
I
everybody?
did put it on there.
Okay. Does everybody say only you lie to your kids and you lie to your mama?
It's a saying. I don't hear it a couple of times.
Is that all of the saying that everybody says? You lie to your kids, you lie to your mama?
Yes, a lot of people.
So the rest of it and get in the courtroom and tell the God's honest truth. Does everybody say that part?
All that go with it. That's the whole point of the saying.
Okay.
All that go with it.
Why did you choose this particular saying to make a whole video about and post it on your Instagram in July of 2015.
I don't know, Miss Love. I'm being honest with you. I don't know.
And is that, when you did that, does that refresh your memory about the video that you saw earlier where you said it sounded like your voice was saying snitching bitches?
Yeah, I told you I didn't see me in the video, but it sounded just like me. I said that.
Okay.
I said that to you earlier.
Okay, you did. Do you recognize where you are in this video?
No, I don't know where I'm at in this video.
Okay. I'm going to show you now what has already been admitted as 427 Yankee. And while we're getting that pulled up, are you, did you know that any members of YSL did you know whether or not any members of YSL did any interviews with police around July 15th, 2015?
No, I didn't know that.
Were
You said 2015?
Yes, sir.
What day? Could you give me a specific day?
Around July 15th.
No, I don't know about that.
Okay.
I don't know about that.
What interviews in 2015 are you aware, and how are you aware of YSL?
Only person I know that went.
Actually, before you answer that, let's just wait. Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna
Yeah,
pause.
'cause I don't
We're
know.
gonna go ahead and play 427 Yankee.
I just asked her who do she love dead. Motherfucker, yeah. I just asked her who she love dead, bitch. She don't even know who dead. She like, you crying.
Did you see yourself in that video?
Yes.
You're smiling. Do you remember when that video was taken?
No, ma'am.
Was it around 2015?
Probably.
Do you know where it was taken?
I think we in a house somewhere, or something like that.
Whose house?
I don't really know who house it is. I just know the people I see in the video. I don't know actually who house we was at.
Tell the jury, please, who all you recognize in the video. And you don't have to point them out. Just tell the jury who all you recognized.
I recognize me, Mr. Williams, Stillwell. I want to say Kendrick and Honor, but I think that was Zachary and Garner, if I'm not mistaken.
Do you see Mr. Copeland in there?
Could you play it back and let me see?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You did. I just asked her who do she love dead. Motherfucker, yeah. I just asked her who she
Yeah, I
love
see
dead.
Mr. Copeland.
She don't even
Is
know
he
who
the
dead.
gentleman with the red hat?
Yes.
Did you see Mr. Stillwell do anything with his hand?
I don't know exactly what he did. His hand, he pointed. Whatever he did, I couldn't see what he did with his hand.
If we play it and freeze it, would you be able to see?
Maybe.
Okay. Let's try that.
You did.
That ain't Mr. Stillwell.
Who is that?
The Mickey and Gunner looked
But-
like he throwed up the 3.
He's throwing up a 3.
Yeah, that's the 3 like that. He did like this. That's what it is.
Have you ever seen that sign thrown up to represent a B, a small b, as in Bloods?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how do you distinguish when it's a 3 and when it's a B?
You can't distinguish because it's throwed up the same way. I don't seen people throw it up both ways.
All right.
So you can't distinguish.
Did Mr. Garlington say anything to you to make you believe that that was 3 versus the B?
No, I just see 3 fingers like this.
Okay.
So
Do you currently work?
for me,
Yes, sir.
I have my own business.
Okay. And at the time that this video was made, were you working at that same business?
No.
Were you working anywhere at the time this video was made?
What the date is, the 19th or something like. I don't know the date of the video. Could I see the date of the video?
In 2015, were you working at all anywhere during the year 2015?
I told you at one point in time, I started working head of security with Mr. Jeffrey Williams in 2015.
And did you see yourself with money in the video?
Yes,
And was that your money?
probably was. I ain't finna be holding on nobody no money.
Okay. And
Got a question.
how did you make the money that you had in that video?
I don't know how I made it that time. At that time. I don't even.
Do you remember what you got paid as head of security?
No, I don't. It's based on how long it went, so I don't actually know the pay until like till we done with the tour.
Okay.
Or how many days I ever worked, then I know.
Were you paid by the hour or salary or what?
I was paid salary.
All right. Do you remember your salary?
No, I don't actually remember the exact salary.
The Demekion that you identified in the video, is that another person that you call Lil Dees?
Yes.
Okay. And was his Instagram name Scarface with an X replacing the C?
I think that was his Instagram.
Okay. Did you hear someone yelling "Black, Black" in the background of that video?
No.
Okay. Have you heard the term black, B-L-A-T-T, used?
Yeah.
Where have you heard that term used?
I heard a lot of people use it.
Have you heard YSL members use it?
I used it.
When you use it, what do you use it to mean?
I didn't really never know what it mean, but I used it though.
How did you use it when you used it?
I just said black.
And to what would you be using the word black? To respond to or to identify?
Could you repeat that?
Could you use black in a sentence the way you used the word black when you did use it? Could you use a sentence, put in a sentence for the jury?
I don't think I never used it in a sentence, but I might just say black.
Okay. And would that be in response to something that scared you or meeting someone?
No.
What occasions would you use the word black?
I don't know what occasion, but I use it.
Did you use it in the same way you use slat?
Did I use it in the same?
Did you use it in the same way that you use the word slat?
You trying to confuse me like that. You gotta
No, I
tell me.
promise you I'm not.
You gotta tell me like, cause you saying that I use black in the same term that I use slack.
No, in the same way.
Wait, like, yeah, when I see somebody who, yeah, I show love, yeah.
Okay, so is black a way that you show love?
Yeah.
All right. Does black stand for you for blood love all the time?
From my understanding, I never knew that what it stand for, but.
Okay. So, okay. When did you start using black to show love?
Probably like 2015, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay. Did you hear other people who are YSL use black to show love?
I think so.
Who did you hear?
I think I seen in a video that me and Zachary was in, he used it.
Is Zachary the only person that you heard use it?
I don't recall. If you had anything you could refresh my memory with, then I could tell you.
All right, thank you.